Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a notification when someone adds your photo to a post on Instagram using your PC, this quick guide will show you exactly how to enable that feature with the latest Instagram update. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find a menu with several icons. Click on the profile icon to go to your personal profile page. Next, within your profile, find and click on Notifications. This will open the notification settings where you can customize what alerts you receive. Now, enter the Push Notifications section. This is where you control the notifications that pop up on your PC. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Added to Post. This setting manages notifications for when someone adds your photo to their post. Simply choose On to enable notifications for this feature. This way, every time your photo is tagged or added to a post, you'll get an instant alert on your PC. Before you finish, make sure your browser or Instagram app permissions allow notifications, so these alerts can come through smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for when your photo is added to a post on Instagram from your PC. Now you'll always stay updated whether you're working, studying, or just browsing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected with all your Instagram moments.